Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today's lesson is about going through immigration at the airport. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer common immigration officer questions, explain your reason for travel, and show your documents with confidence. Key phrases for today. Passport, please. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Where will you be staying? Do you have a return ticket? Do you have anything to declare? Enjoy your stay. Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Is this your first time in our country?
No, I visited 2 years ago for a conference.
Welcome back. What is the purpose of your visit this time?
I'm here for business meetings.
How long will you stay?
About 10 days.
Where will you be staying?
At the Hilton Hotel, downtown.
Do you have the hotel confirmation?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, this is my flight confirmation.
Thank you. Will you travel to other cities during your stay?
Maybe I might visit the countryside on the weekend.
Sounds good. Do you know anyone living here?
Only my business contacts.
Do you have their invitation letters?
Yes, I've printed them out.
Excellent. Do you have anything to declare?
No, just clothes, a laptop, and personal items.
Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, just some cash and my credit cards.
Are you bringing any food, alcohol, or medicine?
Just vitamins for personal use.
That's fine. Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, here's the document.
Very good. Do you need to contact your local office while here?
Yes, I'll be meeting them tomorrow morning.
Great. Please look at the camera for a photo.
Okay.
Thank you. Please place your right hand on the fingerprint scanner.
Done.
Now your left hand, please.
Sure.
All clear. One last question. Do you plan to extend your stay?
No, I'll return on the 10th as scheduled.
Perfect. Everything looks fine. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Now it's time to explain the key lines, and then you can repeat them. What is your purpose of visit? This means, why are you here? Tourism, business, study. Do you have anything to declare? This means, do you have items you must report? Money, food, alcohol, goods. Enjoy your stay. A friendly goodbye from the officer. Now, practice with your friend by asking and answering.
What is the purpose of your visit? I'm here for tourism. I'm here for business meetings. I'm here to study abroad. Do you have anything to declare? No, I only have some clothes and personal items. Yes, I have more than $10,000 in money. Yes, I'm bringing some food from my country. Yes, I have a small bottle of alcohol. Yes, I'm carrying some goods for a trade show.
Now let's take a closer look at some useful words and phrases you heard in the dialogue. These are common at immigration and will help you sound confident when you travel. Visa, official permission to enter a country. Return ticket, a ticket back to your home country. Declare, officially report items at customs. Immigration officer, the person who checks your documents. Let's practice with short sentences. Please repeat after me. I'm here for business. I'll stay for 10 days. I have nothing to declare.
Now we will recap the key phrases from today's lesson. Take note to help you remember. Passport, please. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Do you have anything to declare? Great work today. Practice these phrases 3 times this week so you can use them with confidence. Follow us for more English you can use